When you hunt the Austrian Alps, you really got to cook their favorite national dish, Wiener Schnitzel. Here's a wild game recipe for it that's super quick and super easy. Check it out. Today's target species for the dinner table is the chamois. It lives almost exclusively in the Alps, a mile high above the tree line. It's a funny-looking goat-like character with candy cane horns, known to be incredibly tender. Get started by slicing your meat as thin as possible. Up next, add the star of the show, provider crosshairs, to some basic flour. Mix that together, and that's going to bread your meat. Take each tenderloin piece and make sure it's thoroughly coated in the flour mixture. Next up, get a skillet nice and hot and apply a liberal amount of oil. Once the oil's hot, add the meat and make sure that it's completely stretched out with no lumps. It's going to cook real fast, so as soon as you give it a flip and get back to it, it's ready to pull off the oil. In about a minute on each side, it's ready to plate. Give it one more shake of crosshairs, add a lemon wedge, and wunderbar!